Eat my camera. This is collard green though. Alright. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna hop straight into it. So with your greens, what we're gonna do first, get the bunches of greens instead of getting the bag stuff. They got too many stems, and stems in your greens and any sort of aspect is not what you want. So first we're gonna do, take the leaf, turn it over, and we're just gonna cut along the stem on both sides. Alright, take that on out, and then we're just gonna set the stem aside and then repeat the process. Alright, so I know the first part is a little tedious, but it's necessary. So next what we're gonna do is fold each leaf just a half like so, stack them on top of each other, and then we're gonna roll them nice and tight, kind of like a cigar. And you just cut them into little ribbons, basically. All right. Shit. All right. All right, then next what we're gonna do is go ahead and take these to the sink to go ahead and wash them. Get you a bowl. So what we got here is a pot filled with water and the greens, of course. And we're gonna add in just a couple capfuls of some apple cider vinegar. So what that's gonna do is help to dry out any sort of excess dirt, any sort of bugs that be left in between these leaves. And what we're gonna do is just kind of get our hands in there. All right. And transfer them to another dish. Now what you want to do, we're gonna have to do this about probably 3 to 5 times. So after we put these over on the other side, we're gonna take this water out, because if you see, like, the water kind of dirty now, you know what I'm saying? So we want to make sure the water runs clean when we done. So like I said, 3 to 5 times. All right, so now what we got 4 cups of reduced sodium chicken broth, and we're gonna add in 2 large smoked turkey necks. You get smoked turkey neck, drumsticks, turkey wings, whatever. Just get you some smoked meat, add that on in. Then we got whole white onion that we done cut up, add that on in as well. Now we got some crushed red pepper, just a little bit. All right, get some unsalted Tonys. This goes a long way. You get a lot of flavor without adding a lot of salt, because regular Tonys is kind of high in salt. All right, and we got onion and garlic powder. All right, and then drop it in the comments. Let me know, do you put sugar in your greens or not? So this is gonna be some melanated sugar or brown sugar. We're gonna add this a pinch off in there. It makes a difference to cut the bitterness of the greens. We'll do 2 capfuls of apple cider vinegar, and we're gonna add a couple dashes of some liquid smoke. All right, so we bring this up to a boil, and then we're just gonna cover this with the lid and let that go for probably about like 20 minutes, and then we'll come back with the greens. So we got our greens from earlier, just go ahead and put them on in. So this is 3 bunches of greens worth that we cut up into the ribbons and everything like that. All right, and then lastly what we're gonna do, we're gonna add just a little pinch of some salt. You don't want to add too much because the smoked meat already has salt in it. If you need more, just add it later at the end. All right, so then we're gonna cover this back up with a lid, and what we're gonna do is just stir this around every about 20-30 minutes. All right, and we're gonna do that for about 1.5 to 2 hours until they fork tender. All right, so my cookbook, Kitchen Culture, is out now, y'all. You can get it at the link in the description. Let me just take y'all inside real quick. So we got 90 recipes, super easy to follow. You know what I'm saying? We got the holiday recipes. You got your classic soul food. It's just a little bit of everything, you know, just a little bit of everything. So again, you grab it at the link in my bio. And if you're a person that likes a little bit more on the go type of vibe, you can get the ebook too. All right, but back to the recipe. All right, so here we go. So the greens are about done. First of all, it smells good as hell up in here. All right, you know what I'm saying? We got the greens. Ugh. Okay, hold on. So now what we gotta do, we go ahead and take this turkey neck. You can either try to shred it off of the bone inside or just take the damn turkey leg, the turkey neck out. All right. So of course this is hot, so you're not gonna do this with your hands. You just simply take a fork, and then just shred it off the bone like so. Or you can also get some gloves and then take it off as well. All right, I'm gonna add this back into the pot after everything is finished. And I'll show y'all what the final product looks like in just a second. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and plate this on up, all right? Now the key to some good greens is that pot liquor that's at the bottom, right? So put that on in and get some of that juice. All right, so you done made it to the end of the video, so I'm assuming you done wrote down everything to go to the store and make this. Go ahead and hit that like button for me too if you liked the video. And then comment down below what you want to see next and hit that subscribe button so you can be locked in with us for the next recipes to come. All right, but I'll catch you on the next one.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right, we're gonna get into some smoked turkey. God damn.
2, 1, and we live.
All right, so the first thing.
Hold on, redo it.
All right, so this, I don't know how many takes me to do, but look. But anyway, go ahead, get. Come on, bro.
3, hold on. 3, wait, that thing's still going on too. Better?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, roll.
This is like take 5, but look, if you like the video, hit the like